Another day, another try. Let's see what we can find. By the way, I'd also like to mention that this green line is the weekly open. Okay, I just want to add that this is obviously not an active position. This is just, if price would come back, this is the position that I would want to take. To be fair though, I think the biggest decision here will be made around these highs. If we actually hold these highs and continue higher, then I would actually assume that we go towards the 790s and maybe also take this high. Obviously everything is possible here, but I think this is a point of decision here. Just to mention it, this short setup is most likely invalidated, especially because we are already approaching the 90s. Okay. So after what felt fucking 1,000 years, we have now tapped 790. Obviously, I still need a closure above it to actually get like set up or get a possible trade. Even though I'm also watching this high here closely, so we could find the setup here real soon. Okay, that is that tap of that high that I wanted to see. So let's see if this is a rejection or if this is gonna be a continuation again. Obviously, we've had a bit of a movement higher, so these lows here look rather good as a potential target. So we could see some retracement here. Okay, let's see, because we are currently getting some retracement to a potential entry, but not yet. Okay, so we need another candle. So it's looking good. Need a candle closure. So okay, let me explain this up really quick. So we had a rejection of this high for now. We rejected it. We have the 4790 level that we broke above and we reclaimed it, and now what I want to see is a break below the 9 EMA. If we can get that, then I will be in a short. TP will be here. Stop will probably be this candle's high here. If, like I cannot mention it enough, if we break the 9 EMA. Okay guys, I am short there. I am filled short basically there. Yeah. Stop is basically here. Break even is gonna be, let me do this so I can see this. Okay. Okay, so break even is around the 1-to-1. So break even is gonna be around here. Let me mark this properly. This is basically gonna be BE. So now we just have to let it play out. This either plays or it does not. Okay, on that note, our trade is currently at break even. Okay, I hope this is clear to see what's like going on here. Okay, so this is actually very similar to last, like another trade that we had, is that we're basically now creating a little bit of a level of support here, that if we break this, then we could potentially see some further downside, and if we hold it, then we could get break even. That's how I personally currently see the trade. What I will do is 10 a.m. is here, so I'll mark 10 AM open. There we go. Just so you guys can see everything properly. I can't lie, we're not really seeing that push that I personally here would like to see. You kind of open without a bottom wick, which is good. But I would like to see this just continue through these lows. That's more like it. Okay, I am gonna be trailing my stop loss just a tad more. Okay, there we go. Bang. That was the trade. Finally, you see, like, we just had this little level of support, and the moment this broke, we just instantly went through it. Also, we are instantly retracing, so it seems that our TP was great, but you can clearly see just how, in some way, how beautiful this setup was. Especially the take profit area was just beautiful. You have these two lows here. This was sketchy though, that we just created a little bit of a level support, which could have ended badly because you can see that we were relatively close to stop loss. But great trade, guys. I'll put everything on the screen. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a lovely day.